Dan, the Energy Man speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Dan. My name is Lola. I was hoping you could help me.
Sure, what's your question, Lola?
My dad is having a hard time at work because his pump is always needing to be fixed. And the money he's spending to fix it is causing him to go over budget. I want to help him so he's not so stressed out. What can I do?
That's a good question, Lola. Sounds to me like your dad must have an inefficient pump. You'll need to learn about pump efficiency so you can help figure out what to do. Let's talk to our resident pump specialist and see what he has to say about the situation. Hey, Stan the Pump Man!
Hey, Dan, the Energy Man. It's good to see you, buddy.
Good to see ya.
Have a seat. So what brings you into my office today, Dan, the Energy Man?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Stan the Pump Man. So, one of our viewers called in, and she has a question about pump efficiency.
Pump efficiency?
Yeah.
She have a problem with her pump?
Her dad does. Her dad says the pump is costing them a ton, and it's always under maintenance.
You know, that can be a common problem with pumps. If it's not carefully selected for the system that it's in, it can be pretty inefficient. Let's just talk a little bit about the big picture of pumps. A pump's primary job is to move water from one location to another. It does this by adding kinetic energy to the water so that it'll move through the pump. If you want to quantify how efficient a pump is, you look at how much energy is delivered to the water and how much energy is going into that pump. Sometimes you can be adding a ton of electrical input power to the pump, and very little power gets delivered to the water.
So, Stan,
Yeah, Dan?
if a pump is inefficient, it will use a lot more energy than it actually needs?
Exactly.
Well, how can you tell if a pump is efficient or not?
I'm glad you asked, Dan. I've got this handy list to show you.
Thanks, Stan the Pump Man.
You're welcome, Dan, the Energy Man.
Now let's put this info to use and go collect some data. Here we have one of my trusty analysts out here to help me collect some data. Our goal is to measure the efficiency of the pump. We're trying to find out the exact flow within the pipe. For that, we're going to be using the flow meter. Now we're going to be measuring some nameplate data. Let's go take a look. While we want to make sure to record all the nameplate data that we can, we're really looking for the RPMs, the voltage, and the power usage of the pump. We'll also be gathering information about the diameter, the pressure, and the elevation both before and after the pump. Sometimes you need to go talk to a facility member to collect the rest of the data that you're looking for. While gathering data, you may need to ask the facility personnel a few questions. These questions could be, what type of pump is it? What's driving the pump? What's the full load amperage? And what are the operating hours? Now that we've finished our data collection, we're ready to analyze the efficiency of the pump. Luckily, the Department of Energy has given us a wonderful tool that we can use to help us solve our problem. I hope that answers your question, Lola, and don't forget to send in any other questions you may have about energy. Remember, you have the power to save energy.